What's up, guys? This is Chamblizi of YouTube.com. Today I'm going to be doing a review for Open Nature 100% natural Greek non-fattening strain yogurt. You're just like, what the fuck is he reviewing? 100% natural milk from cows not treated with RBST. Have no idea what that is, but it sounds like it could be bad for the RBST. It's all natural ingredients from natural sources. No significant difference between milk derivative from RBST and non-RBST treated cows. Might want to look up what RBST is. But this is what it looks like. If you can read that, I'm getting kind of a mirror reflection in here. If it's not legible, I'll do this for you. There you go. And it's honey flavored. Some pretty nice stuff. I've had it already. Shake it up. Because the milk does separate itself from the yogurt. Ow! Hit myself with the spoon. So, I'm going to pull this open here and after you shake that up, it should be a wee bit watery, but you're just going to take a spoon and stick it in there and stir it out. 1 second. Under my arm, I used to follow my tricks. I hope that you like this, but you probably won't. You think you're cooler than me. You got design shades just to hide your face. You wear them around like you're cooler than me. Back to what I was saying. I'm not sure what I was saying. What you're going to do, you're going to want to take this, stir this up to get that milk blending in with it. Some pretty good yogurt. You pre-shake it just to get it well mixed together. Some nice thick yogurt there. You know. All right, let's take this music out. All right, that was Cooler Than Me. Mike Poisoner, whatever. Makes a pretty good song. So let's get to it. It has a creamy taste to it, you know. And I know somebody's gonna come with a gay comment, so shut the fuck up. So this is it's pretty good. It's thick, good thick tasting yogurt, you know. I give this it's got the creaminess. It's got that flavor I look for. It's not like a you know, those mass production yogurts. I forgot what it's called, Go-Gurt and whatnot like that. It doesn't taste like that. It's got that unique flavor to it. It's also smooth. I like the taste of it. It's unique. I can get the just taste of that. Oh, that does have that honey taste to it. It tastes like it does have honey in it. The honey flavor is just right where it's supposed to be. It's not too strong, not too potent. Doesn't taste like complete sugar. Greek yogurt has been famous for having that unique taste to it. So for flavor, I'd give this 10 out of 10 automatically. Flavor 10 out of 10. It's got like a creamy silk taste to it, smooth. The thickness of it's pretty pretty. As you can see, that's thick because it doesn't, you know, it falls off in a chunk. If it falls off your spoon, it's a chunk, not like a drip or whatnot. So my overall for the sugar would be a 10 out of 10. This is great. This is great. I know you're gonna call me a yogurt aficionado. So all right. I'm not sure if it's a mirror reflection or not, but let me know which one is correct here because I've been messing around with my settings. Tell me if one is the correct where you can read what my hat says, or two, if you can read the hat, because it might be a mirror reflection on YouTube. But yeah, you should give this a try. This is Open Nature 100% natural Greek non-fattening strained yogurt with real milk. All right, Chamblizi of YouTube.com. Peace.